this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to create this fun grapefruit card with the Sweet Citrus bundle. Here is my fun grapefruit card using the citrus, using the Sweet Citrus bundle. This bundle is special because it has an embossing folder with it. The die fits in the embossing folder and embosses and cuts out the stamped images at the same time. I'll show you how this works. I'm going to start by inking up the rinds in Daffodil Delight and stamping them on a piece of 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 basic white cardstock. And then I'm going to ink the inside with Flirty Flamingo. Now I'm going to place the stamped images behind the die inside the embossing folder and line them up with the embossing and close the folder. Then I'm going to place the embossing folder on the number 1 plate, add the number 4 plate on top since it is a 3D hybrid embossing folder. And after I roll it through, I get my cut and embossed images. Super cool. So I have a card base pool party that's 5 1/2 and 8 1/2 scored at 4 1/4. Next, I have a piece of 5 1/4 by 4 Flirty Flamingo and 5 1/8 by 3 7/8 piece of basic white. I'm going to add a little bit of Pool Party with a blending brush over here on this side. Now I'm going to use some of the retiring sheer Pool Party ribbon. Going to wrap the ribbon around the middle, flip it over to the back. I'm going to use a little bit of adhesive and some tape to make sure the ribbon will stay in place. Now I'm going to create a bow with my little bow maker. If you want to watch If you want to learn how to use this, you can refer to my How to Tie a Bow video. And before you put dimensionals and adhere that down, you will want to stamp your sentiment, but I forgot to do that, so I'm just gonna stamp it on like this, and hopefully. Okay, now I can add all my grapefruit pieces. And I've already stamped and cut out some of these flowers from the stamp set. The last step is just to use a glue dot to add the bow right here. And then we have our super cute grapefruit card. Get my Sweet Citrus card class for free when you purchase the bundle using my current host code or place a $50 order. Just email me and let me know that you would like this Sweet Citrus card kit.